Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to add the router and switches images over the EVNG lab. Okay, so first of all, we have to turn on the lab here. Okay, so click on power on this virtual machine here, but before that you have to download the resources from the link I have provided you in the description. Okay, so once you downloaded the file, just click on power on this virtual machine. It will take a few seconds to turn on. Okay, then log in that with the root username, and EVE is the password. Once it will be logged in, just go to IP address, okay, to the browser. So let me go to the browser, okay, and click on the same IP address 192.168 or 92.128 that is provided by the EVNG. Provide the username admin and password EVE, press enter. So here, when I will click on nodes, so there is no file available belong to router or switch. That is what we have to add. Now, download the software WinSCP. Well, that is automatically available with the uh, EVNG, but if it is not available, download this software WinSCP. Log in the software via root and providing the same password that is belong to EVENG, okay, root or EVE. Update that, click on update, as well as provide the password EVE, press enter. On left side, this is the location of your computer files. So go to the computer where you have downloaded and extracted the files. And on right side, this is the location for the EVNG lab. So in EVNG lab, go to OPT, unit lab, add-ons, IOL, and bin. So in bin file, put the bin files actually, the file in the folder you have downloaded. So there is a folder name IOL. In that bin file is there. So in bin, the files are there. So copy and paste these file to the bin. Now get back to the source again. Okay, from this, paste the Dynamips file to the Dynamips file that I have provided you in the description, link description. Okay, so once they will be copied, it will take a few seconds to copy that. Well, now it's copied. What is next? Now click on node and you will find that devices are available, but you can't able to take the remote access because some additional softwares are required, like Ultra VNC and Wireshark. So download these softwares from the website, that from the EVNG website. Okay, so that is, you can see I can't able to take the remote access. Okay, console access for any of these devices. Okay, so let's do one thing. Go to the EVNG site for that. Okay, so this is the EVNG-net website. Click on download EVNG professional. After that, click on Windows client side. Okay, here we got the Windows integration pack. Click on the Windows integration pack. It will take a few seconds to appear. Now download this Windows integration pack, and it will take some minutes to download or seconds. Then install these packages. In these packages, the Ultra VNC and Wireshark is there. Once you will able to download and install these two files, you could able to use the console access of this device, of every single device. Okay, so let's go to download. Click on EVNG software that you have downloaded. Install the packages in which Ultra VNC and the Wireshark is available. So let's install all of these in client pack. So here Ultra VNC setup will be automatically appear. Then click on next. So it will be installed in a few minutes. After that, you need to install the Wireshark, that will automatically appear. So install this one also. Click on yes to install that. Click on next. It will take a few seconds to install the Wireshark also. So you don't need to change anything, any information like install USB USB P cab. So that is not required. Okay, because If there will be any old USB P cap, you have to install that, else you can pass this one. Okay, click on install. It will take a few minutes to install that. Okay, so that is installed now, dear. I have skipped the processing. Now I could able to take the console access by double clicking on the router. Okay, after turning on, let me click on another router, click on SSH telnet. So here we can see that I could able to access the router, can able to do the configuration of the router. Okay, dear. So this is how the EVNG works, and devices will be added in EVNG. Okay. I hope you like the session. Please uh, like, comment, or subscribe. Have a nice day.